Hey guys, it's AJ, and today I am gonna be. Hold on. Okay, what I'm gonna be doing is. I don't know what to do. I guess I'm gonna play Simon Says. And I'm waiting for me 15 Robux for Builders Club. I already got Builders Club, but I'm waiting for me 15 Robux. Alright. Okay. I have 151 points because I bought the points. Wow, this guy has 499 wins and 7 points. I'm the one who has the most points. With the most of my Robux, I'm gonna buy stuff. I'm gonna buy the 50 points. Cause I really love this game. Actually, I'm not gonna wait any. Oh wait, Bowser's right here. There's Linkmon99. There's Kirby. Simon Says go on Mario. Now I'm fast because I have VIP walk on. I mean VIP run. Okay, so she's looking back there. Okay, Simon Says go on Patrick. Yes, we won. Huh? How did we fall? We didn't win any points, and we didn't get the win thingy. What? Is this a ripoff? What's this? Oh my god, people push you off the seesaw. Okay. Alright. LOL, we can play because he's AFK. Free time, everyone. Free time. No! Stop pushing me! Yay! Seesaw, seesaw. You want the seesaw. Alright, guys. Yeah, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh no, why did you reset? It's so sad, why'd you reset? Oh my god, how is he still there? Choose the next theme. I don't have my 15 Robux yet because I have Builders Club, as you can see right here. Now we're doing the seasons, alright. Going full. Going full. Going full. Go on a spring. On spring. Okay. 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 Somebody fell. Yeah, I don't know how to do the Japanese letter. So that's why I do the slash. Alright. Sure, there's 1,000 days later. 1,000 days later. Guys, I might end the video here. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and I'll see you all next time again. Bye!